The people of India love to eat delicious food. And remember, when we talk about food, oil becomes one of the most basic items for any household in India. The demand for different varieties of oils is rising every day. Did you know? As per the report, Indians will probably buy the most expensive cooking oils from overseas for at least the next 15 years as demand continues to far outpace domestic production. It has been said that oil consumption is expected to climb in India by as much as 17% over the next 4 years. India is one of the world's largest buyers of vegetable oils, and that's perhaps because most farmers in the country typically focuses more on growing cotton and staples like rice, wheat and sugar rather than focusing on the production of oils in India. Thus, looking at these factors, it has become the need of the hour to change the mindset of people and make India more self-reliant. Thus, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur and you want to foray into a new business, the cooking oil business is the perfect choice for you. If you want to know how to start the cooking oil business, you just need the zeal to learn about this business and to establish your own very brand in the industry. Now, besides making India self-reliant, the other reasons as to why one should choose to start this business is that today the entire world has become more focused on a healthy lifestyle after experiencing the wrath of COVID-19. In the past 2 years, the health and wellness industry has seen a shift towards the adoption of healthier alternative by consumers. Eating healthy is one of the major steps towards a healthier lifestyle, and it can only be achieved when the oil that we use in our food is the right option for us. People these days have become more aware than ever regarding the food they consume to help them combat various known as well as unknown diseases and viruses that are present in the environment. As a result of which, the demand for edible oil these days is on a rise. Oil is an essential commodity and it is always in demand. Thus, when one starts an oil mill business, they are assured that this is a profitable business.
Coconut oil is an essential commodity for Keralites. They use coconut oil as the edible oil. So it's an essential commodity. And the business survives, sustains every time, all the time. Because every household, coconut oil is required either for cooking or for as an hair oil or for massaging.
Okay.
So there's a scope for coconut oil all the time. Oil mill is a business where we extract oil from the copra, which is used as edible oil or hair oil.
What are different types of oil mill business one can establish in India?
See, in coconut oil, we can say there's virgin coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil,
Okay.
natural coconut oil, roasted coconut oil, refined coconut oil. There are many varieties, but the basic variety is natural coconut oil.
Correct.
Cold pressed coconut oil is the oldest mode of extraction. That is using a wooden chuck. From that we extract coconut oil. But actually in wooden chucks we'll get only 60% or 55% oil we'll get. Whereas in expeller we'll get 60 to 65%. There's a small drop in the yield. We'll not be able to extract the full oil. In that process, the oil will not get heated. So it's called as cold pressed coconut oil. And in virgin coconut oil is the best coconut oil available because it is full of vitamins. It's called as pure as mother milk,
Okay.
breast milk. And in virgin coconut oil, how we extract is from the coconut, we'll go for coconut milk. And from milk, we'll extract virgin coconut oil. That is through centrifugal filtering or through fermentation. That is cold press process. Or by heating this one milk, we can extract oil. That's also called virgin coconut, but it is hot process. That is in Malayalam we call it as urikenna. That is in olden days, even at the homes, it's made for children. Urikenna. That's also called as virgin coconut oil. The second one I have told you, this one, cold pressed extracted from wooden chucks. And the third one is natural coconut oil, which we are doing. That is using expellers, we can extract oil. And the fourth one is roasted coconut oil, which is the copra pieces are heated excessive heats. So there will be a good aroma for the oil. But light yellow color will be there, but good aroma will be there. But I think for cooking purpose, natural coconut oil is the better than roasted coconut oil. But in North India, most of the people are using roasted coconut oil because of the aroma.
Depends on the location.
Yeah. And the next one is refined coconut oil. Refined coconut oil is the oil refined from the crude coconut oil. Crude coconut oil is what we are doing is crude coconut oil, but we are selecting the copra and we are getting the coconut oil. Even if it is crude, it is less than 0.5 FFA.
So sir, tell us about how much of investment or capital you would require or anyone would require if anyone is starting either small scale, medium scale or a large scale business.
Yeah, that depends upon what amount you can invest. You can start an oil mill. For example, the oil mills with capacity of crushing 5 bags. Bags means in our language, bags is 550 kg.
Okay.
That's a miller's language. We use 50 kg bags for bags. So we compare it as 5 bags for 4-volt machine. We can crush 5 bags. Whereas in 6-volt, we can crush up to 20 bags. And 9-volt usual the machines which we are using is 33/6. In that machine, we can crush up to 50 bags. That is 2.5 tons a day in a shift of 8 hours. 15. So you can invest what amount you want to invest, or what amount you can invest. You can plan according to that, and according to the demand, you can plan. So if you are going for 4-volt machine, you can start even at your home. A small space you can require. That's around 200 square feet. You can start an oil mill. You can name it as an oil mill. Whereas you can Marico Industries, they are running oil mill. That's also an oil mill. But it's a very large scale. As you said, it's in the large scale unit. We can go from medium scale, small scale, everything we can do. So what is the amount you want to invest? We can explain according to that. If you are going for a 5-ton capacity machine, that is 5-ton copra crushing a day, 100 bags of copra a day. If you are going for that, you will have to purchase a dryer first thing.
Okay.
Yeah, for dryer, copra dryer, it will require around minimum 3 lakhs you will have to invest for a dryer. Then expeller and its motor. That is 5 tons. No, 5 tons it will be around 4 to 5 lakhs per machine. Motor it will be around 2 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 7 plus 3, 10 lakhs. Then filter press it will be around 3 lakhs. 5 to 7, 7 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Then packing machine. Packing machine also you have, if you are going for an automatic form filling sieving machine, you will have to invest at least 3 to 5 lakhs. So take it as 4 lakhs. So that will be 17 lakhs. So if you are going for 17 lakhs and other motors and everything, you will have around 20 to 25 lakhs machinery, tanks, etc. You will have to invest for a oil mill, which is not very small, not too large. For marketing, we have mainly depends on the distributors. There are 4 to 5 distributors are there. They are distributing the materials to the nearby places in Kannur, Kasaragod districts. They are distributing it. And the second style is by supplying it to the wholesalers. The distributors will get a definite margin, not depending on the volume. They will have a margin, commission they will get. And for wholesalers, their margin depends on the volume of business. For the targets, they will get incentives.
Based on how much they reach.
Yeah. That is what we are doing. And the third thing, we are directly marketing it. And for the customers who are far away places, we are supplying it through courier also. Not for profit, but to maintain the client base, customer base, we are supplying it through courier service also. And that is the way. And we are using advertisement models only to show our existence. Our main advertisement is through mouth publicity by our customers. That's how we reach here.
Mhm.
If one customer purchases and he will tell his friends about the quality of the oil and they will purchase. Profit margin, I told you that usually if you are looking to the profit margin annually, it will be around 5%. Any year you can expect a 3% margin minimum and may go up to 5 to 6%. Above that you cannot expect
Mhm.
because it's an essential commodity and
Correct.
too much margin is not advisable.
So, what is the monthly or annual income?
Monthly, I'm getting 2 to 3 lakhs average profit. You can expect up to 5 lakhs maximum in a month.
Okay.
Usually, average is 2 to 3 lakhs. That's the average margin.
That is after this many years of working. Like, let's say we are starting now. The one who's starting this or getting into this business, how much they can expect?
No, that depends on the
their
market.
production.
Yeah, the production, marketing, and all. Because it is nothing to do with the experience years and all. Because it's an essential commodity. We have to sell it around that price only.
Strong marketing activities by leading edible oil brands, changing tastes and preferences of consumers, expanding population and shifting consumption pattern towards branded oils is leading to rising consumption of edible oils in the country. Edible oil market in India is projected to grow from around $21.5 billion in 2019 to about $35.2 billion by 2025 due to the increasing disposable income and rising consumer awareness about healthy lifestyle and wellness. So, if you have the zeal to start your own oil mill, which is low cost and profitable business, you can watch this entire amazing course that we have built exclusively for all the aspiring entrepreneurs who can easily begin their entrepreneurial journey with this business. You can watch this entire course only on our Financial Freedom app, which is available on Play Store or App Store. Also, before going, do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel for more such financial content, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified for our next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Get wise, break free.